4-hour forecast.
Well, another humid night for Acadiana. Temperature at 72, top of the hour. That dew point at 71, so the humidity up there at 97%. Good visibility right now, but we got to make the argument for some patchy fog. Temperatures mostly low to mid 70s all the way up through Senla, and I really don't see the dew points coming down as much as the models have been indicated, but generally fair skies. Some drier air should work its way southward overnight tonight, but overall expect fair skies, some patchy fog by daybreak. Got a couple of new model runs. We're going to show you the first one coming up here. This is the NAM model, and going through tomorrow, another warm day ahead. Temperatures in the mid 80s, and then going into tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning, holding in the 70s. But the big story is going to be showers and storms heading toward Acadiana as we head into Wednesday afternoon, and some pretty hefty storms at that. And in fact, we have another model that's going to back this one up, the possibility of some severe weather, and we haven't had that in quite a while going into Wednesday. Near term, though, a sedate pattern continues. Patchy fog in the morning, a sun and cloud mix tomorrow. Should be a very nice day. Temperatures in the mid 80s. And then as we head into Wednesday, stormy weather to come. We'll talk how much rain, that severe weather threat, and how much the air is going to be cooler behind this next front coming up in just a little bit.